Hey, told you I'd be back. Oof, tired, had not slept yet. But that's not why we're here. You're not here to hear the story about my sleepiness and my zombie mode. No, I have bought something. Now, if everyone remembers the last time I did the Barnes& and Nobles thing, I got the Spider-Man, Koto, Bayuki, something like that, figures of Spider-Man and Spider-Gwen. I wanted to get another one, but it wasn't on deal. So I was up on Barnes& and Nobles looking at their site a little bit, and I found out in the 50% off area they had two figures that I wanted uh, that were on a deal, and I'm like, two for the price of one. Can't pass that up. So, let's do a bit of an unboxing. For now. First one up. Miles Morales, Spider-Man. Koto Byakuya. Koto Byakuya. I don't know. I can't say that. Let's speak English. We have a little put together to go in a second. I have to remember all this tape. So, here's the stand. Now, let's put the figure together. How about a little head? Oops. Dropping arms. Somebody. Little arm. Another little arm. course. Magnets. So there we go. It's one of my newest figures. Now, let's move this air, move this receipt, and let's pull out Deadpool. The Black Suit Limited Edition. Inverse Deadpool. Global Holdings exclusive. Fumble. This one actually comes with instructions. How nice. So, wow, that one's in a lot of pieces. Okay. We got swords. Jeez. One sword. Eesh. Okay. A lot of stuff. Don't want to lose them. Got interchangeable hands. Yeesh. Short swords. Now when we open this up, I have plastic over here. I have, of course, stand. And it looks like he comes with a little whiteboard and a little marker. So then I guess we could change it up. And so instead of holding a sword, he could be holding a sign. So let's get him opened up. Just had to check. So I have a hand, and I can hold stuff. And hold something. And where'd it go? There's two hands. Yep, there's a second hand. One that's. Hold on. So one hand that's holding, that can be holding something. And another hand. Confused. Oh, okay. So, say we do the hand that's holding something, and we put this. We can put the sword in said hand. And this short sword is not actually a short sword. It's just a piece that goes inside. The other hand. Like that. So we get them holding the swords. Or we could do the sign if we wanted to do the sign. Well, you can do the hang tens, hang whatever sign. But there's also the actual sign. So he doesn't stick on as well. But it does good. So there we go. There's Deadpool. It's pretty rad. Hold on. Alright. Just a little message. Alright. That's funny. Alright, guys. So, that's my Barnes & Noble small haul of awesome figures. Keep this hand somewhere safe. And this sword if I ever want to put it back in. And just set them up somewhere back there to leave you guys little messages and hints once in a while. Alright, guys. So, I don't have my hand on my mouse. I'm not recording through the computer. I'm so tired. Still got to go to the gym and make dinner. I think I'm due for a little shut-eye. Just a little nap. Not really a nap, but a semi-nap. Alright, well, these are the figures. They're pretty cool. Alright, so I'll see you guys later. Toodles.